Hello everyone, today I'm going to be teaching you how to make a YouTube thumbnail. It's great, it's wonderful. Now, first thing you need to do is just copy and paste in your base image. It needs to be this, about this size. You'll see down below right here, about that size. And then, now, the next thing you want to do is paste in an image that will really, like, grab the audience's attention. Now, in my case, you'll see what I picked out. If I can find it. Oh, here it is. Of course. Now, we have one, but that ain't good enough. We need more. More. And you see that it's a little cut off there, so you're gonna wanna make new layers for each and every one of these icons. Now, once you've done it to your heart's desire, you can start adding text. In our case, my favorite font in the world is obviously Arial. Best. All we need to enter is something like, maybe something a little clickbait, but not that much. Now, to make it a little more obvious, you see, because that's a little hard to see. Oh, maybe a little too big there. But, yeah, seems made it a little too big. So now all we need to do is just hit the back button again. And then we can change the size again to 150. Seems pretty good. You know what? I'm not really feeling this font a lot, so we're gonna have to change it again. There we go. Now it's perfect. We just gotta center this a little bit. And there, we're done. Now you guys know how to make your very own clickbait. Well, it's not clickbait, of course. This is obviously real thumbnail. You're welcome.